Hello from New Jersey. I need your help with identifying the problem. When I am driving, my car makes noise. I'm gonna drive now, you would hear this noise. Please note, when I turn the wheel a little bit to the right or a little bit to the left, noise changes, meaning that when you put stress on one side, sound is a little bit louder, and when you put stress on another side, sound almost gone completely. I was told that there are potentially several problems. One of the problems is my CV boot is torn, so I have grease all over the place, but sound is not similar to clicking noise, which we all know broken axle would make. Speaking of axles, a little bit of information in regards to a company named Raxel or Raxels from Florida. I bought 2 axles from them a while ago. I think it was 3 years ago. And one of the good part was that it was lifetime warranty. So my CV boot is torn on passenger side, and I think it's where this noise coming from you're gonna hear. And I contacted the owner and I asked him about warranty. I would like to have it replaced. And first I heard in return was, call me to discuss. And I was a little bit surprised, because normally warranty means just one thing. If something breaks, it would be covered under the warranty. We went back and forth with emails, and eventually it turns out that there are 2 kinds of warranties: warranty and replacement. So I was told I cannot ask for good item shipped to me, so I would be able to remove bad part, at the same time put good part and ship bad part back. I was asked to ship bad part first, and then I would have good part, meaning that my car would be without part, without move for at least several days, which I was kind of surprised. So if you consider if your car require a new axle, consider whether you would like to go with Raxels or not, because it's a little bit different from at least how I thought. So I am going to start now, start moving. Please let me know what you think this noise is. I think it's coming from passenger side front wheel. Is it wheel bearing? Is it bushings? Is it something wrong with tire? Is it mounting and balancing? I don't know. So I am starting. Please let me know what you think. And also, if you know, if you did this job not too long ago, and if you know who may be doing it in central New Jersey, in Edison area, please feel free to shoot me this info, so maybe I would be able to fix it. So let's hear it. As you can hear, noise appears and disappears. I have noticed this noise probably 2, maybe 3 weeks ago. I think it went from not so loud to more loud, and I think I can hear more of it now. Obviously part is not fixing itself, it's breaking down. I don't know which one though, whether it's again bushings, wheel bearing, axle, or whatever it may be. But again, my CV boot is torn. Car don't make that clicking noise. You hear this noise is different. I was told that if it would have been wheel bearing, then it would be continuous noise. It wouldn't be boom 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 boom. It would be like woo, something like this. But again, I need your experienced professional opinion in order to pinpoint the problem and what kind of solutions I may have, how much it may cost to fix, what options do I have, and all of that. Based on the loudness, I really don't like it. I think something is pretty bad, but again, I need to know what exactly, how long it may take, how much it would be, and maybe if you know someone in Edison, New Jersey area who can help to fix it, who have expertise, I would appreciate it. And for those who is not familiar with my car, which is everybody, this is a Volkswagen Passat 2003, 180,000 miles. I believe this part, I'm talking about wheel bearing, is original. Axle have been replaced, as I said. What else? That's pretty much all I know about this, situation. So again, thank you for your suggestions and advices. If someone have experience with similarly sounded problem, please let me know, and hopefully with your help I would be able to fix it soon and reasonably priced.